Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will talk about where you will go in the Filipino language. Let us start by asking a question. Where are you going? Saan ka pupunta? Where, saan? You, ka. Going, pupunta. I will go to the mall. Pupunta ako sa mall. Ako, will go, pupunta. To the, sa, and then mall. We use the same one in the English version and in the Filipino version. Now the word pupunta is our verb, and we have seen this verb before. Previously, nung nakaraan, we have learned to use affixes or panlapi as well as to follow the rules of conjugation or pagbanghay so that we can form action words or verbs and its past, present, and future tenses. Now, if you want to learn more details about that, we have a lesson called Talk About Your Actions Part 1 to 4, and I will put the link in the description. For this lesson, we will learn another affix which is pa and how to use it to make action words. But we will also use again the words we have seen before so that we can reinforce your learning. Let us go back to those first two sentences. Where are you going? Saan ka pupunta? I will go to the mall. Pupunta ako sa mall. Let's look at a different way to say this. Where are you off to? Saan ka papunta? Where are you? Saan ka off to? Papunta. I am off to the mall. Papunta ako sa mall. So what you see here is a first example of the use of the prefix or affix pa. We attach it to the root word punta to mean you are off to, you are on the way to somewhere, or you are about to go somewhere. So applying conjugation or pagbanghay, a root word like go, punta, can be formed into its past, present, future, and imperative tense. So went becomes pumunta, going, pumupunta, will go, pupunta, to go, pumunta. And from our recent example, we have learned that to say you are off to, papunta, pa plus punta. So this can also mean you are on the way to, or you are going to, or about to go. Let us continue. How will I go there? Paano ako pupunta doon? How? Paano? Will go, pupunta. I, ako. There, doon. You can ride a taxi. Pwede ka sumakay ng taxi. You can, pwede ka. Ride, sumakay. And a taxi ng taxi. And what we see here is another word, another new verb, sumakay. Let us look at how to form this verb. Using conjugation or pagbanghay, we start with the root word ride, sakay. The different tenses are rode, sumakay, riding, sumasakay, will ride, sasakay, and to ride, sumakay. Remember, to learn more about conjugation and forming action words, the link to those lessons are in the description. So we have just seen sumakay. Now what about saying you are off to ride something? That is pasakay. So you use pa plus sakay. It can also mean you are on the way to take that ride, or you are going to take that ride, or you are about to ride. Here are those sentences again. How will I go there? Paano ako pupunta doon? You can ride a taxi. Pwede ka sumakay ng taxi. I'll give you an alternative, and this should be easy. Pwede ka mag-taxi, or pwede kang mag-taxi, whichever is easier for you to say. The handy thing about this is, if you are short for Filipino words, you can combine mag and an English noun to say that you're going to take something or use something. So mag-taxi means you're going to ride a taxi. Mag-bus, you will ride a bus. Mag-train, you will ride a train. Let's look at more sentences. Can I ride a jeepney? Pwede ba ako sumakay ng jeep? Can I, pwede ako, ride, sumakay, a jeepney, ng jeep. In everyday Filipino, it's very common that we just use the shortcut, jeep, instead of jeepney. Now, as a reminder, the word ba is there to indicate that we are asking a question. Yes, you can take a jeepney. Oo, pwede kang mag-jeep. Yes, oo. You can, pwede kang. Take a jeepney, mag-jeep. Take one that is going to Cubao. Sumakay ka ng papunta sa Cubao. Take one or ride one, sumakay. Going to, papunta sa. And Cubao is just another place in the Philippines. Let's continue the conversation. Where am I getting off? Saan ako bababa? Where? Saan? Am I? Ako. Getting off, bababa. Bababa is also going down. And the root word is baba. Tell the driver to let you off at the mall. Sabihin mo sa driver, ibaba ka sa mall. Tell, sabihin. The driver, sa driver. Let off, ibaba. You is ka. At the is sa. Now we have a mo in the Filipino version to match the implied you in the English version, because that English version is actually you tell the driver to let you off at the mall. So, sabihin mo, mo is there to match the you. Here is our last set of sentences. Okay, I will leave now. Sige, aalis na ako. Okay, sige. Ako. Will leave, aalis. Now, na. Are you about to leave now? Paalis ka na ba? You, ka. About to leave, paalis. And we know that now is na and ba indicates a sentence. We do not have an equivalent to are in the Filipino version of the sentence. Just a second. I will go with you. Sandali lang. Sasama ako sa iyo. Just a second, a very handy phrase, is sandali lang. Will go with sasama. It also means I will accompany you or keep you company. With you, sa iyo. Before we end this lesson, here are the verbs that we have used in this lesson, plus another one. Go, punta. Ride, sakay. Leave, alis. Go with, sama. Go out, labas. You can use this to practice applying the rules of conjugation to make the past, present, future, and imperative tenses. So that is our lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning, talking about where you're going and how to get there. As a homework, try writing about where you are going and how to get there using the Filipino language. Practice talking with others about where you're going. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye.
Bye!